A very warm welcome to Swarajya, a tapestry of India's journey to freedom and unity, told in song, dance, and spirit, curated on the occasion of the 79th Independence Day celebrations, presented by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Indian Cultural Center in partnership with PR Events and Aakar Foundation. Today, we gather not only to celebrate our freedom, but to honor our rich culture, our heritage, and the vision of our great leaders who gave us this liberty and the freedom. We are deeply honored to have with us Ms. Subhashini Narayanan, Deputy High Commissioner of India to Malaysia, Ms. Vijayalakshmi Sundararajan, Director, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Indian Cultural Center, our beloved senior legendary artists, Srimati Radha Gopal Shetty, Srimati Valsala Shivdas, and Srimati Tavamalar Gunaratnam, who have actually dressed in saffron, white, and green. Padma Shri Datuk Ramli Ibrahim, Chairman, Sutra Foundation. Associate Professor Dr. Zulkifli Abdul Rashid, Deputy Rector of Student Affairs and Alumni, Aswara. Officials and diplomats from Indian High Commission of India, Embassy of the Philippines in Malaysia, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Indian Cultural Center. Members of the media, leaders of community associations and organizations, respective gurus from various cultural institutions and academy who have joined hands to make this celebration truly special. Now, to begin this auspicious occasion, I invite our honored dignitaries to the stage for lighting the lamp, a symbol of peace, knowledge, and prosperity. May I request the presence of all our honored dignitaries to the stage? Thank you, dignitaries. With the lamp lit, let us light up our hearts with inspiring words. We first invite Vijayalakshmi ma'am, Director of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Indian Cultural Center, to deliver the welcome address.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's such a pleasure to see you all and welcome you all to NSCB ICC. On behalf of my entire team, I welcome you all to Swaraj, a music and dance concert organized in collaboration with PR Events and Aakar Foundation. As part of our ongoing celebration, which is running the whole month of August, for India's 79th Independence Day. This evening, we are deeply honored to have amongst us our distinguished chief guests, the three senior dance directors of Temple of Fine Arts, Mrs. Tavamalar Gunaratnam, Mrs. Radha Shetty, and Mrs. Vatsala Shivdas. We are equally delighted to welcome Dr. Zulkifli Abdul Rashid, Deputy Rector of Student Affairs and Alumni of Aswara, and Padma Shri Datuk Ramli Ibrahim, Chairman, Sutra Foundation. Welcome, sir. A very warm welcome also to our Deputy High Commissioner, Mrs. Subhashini Narayanan, whose constant support enables us to achieve more every year. I would also like to welcome my colleagues from the High Commission of India, diplomats from the Embassy of Philippines, respected gurus of various dance schools present here, and the community leaders. Thank you for taking out the time from your busy schedule and joining us today. Finally, I warmly welcome each and every one of you in the audience. Your presence and encouragement gives us strength and makes all the performances here at NSCB ICC more meaningful. At NSCB ICC, we are committed to building cultural bridges between India and Malaysia through music, dance, art, and literature. In the months ahead, we look forward to hosting an exhibition of Indian and Malaysian artists celebrating Onam with dance performances from Kerala in collaboration with Padma Nrityalaya Group, a week-long theatre workshop by the faculty of the National School of Drama in collaboration with Hindi Hai Hum, and much more to celebrate our shared heritage. To speak a little about Swarajya before I end, the idea of doing a program in collaboration was born almost a month ago, I believe, over a simple cup of coffee and chat with Preeta ji and with Kritika, and brought to life by Vani ji through her impeccable vision and choreography. My heartfelt thanks to all the three gorgeous ladies present here today. Thank you, and thanks to all the talented artists who are joining us today and the students, all set to take us on a beautiful journey over India's path to freedom. Thank you, and welcome to NSCB ICC.
That was indeed a very warm welcome, ma'am. Now, may I invite the Deputy High Commissioner of India, Mrs. Subhashini ma'am, to share her remarks on the event.
Good evening, everyone. Namaste. Almost feels like home being in the Indian Cultural Center, no? Do all of you all feel like that? Feels like being among family and friends, isn't it? So very welcome. Thank you, ma'am, for that wonderful welcome to all of us. Padma Shri, Dato Ramli Ibrahim, very welcome, sir, to our program and for all your support to all our events, including yesterday. Thank you very much, Dato. Three directors from the Temple of Fine Arts, Radha ma'am, Vatsala ma'am, and Malar ma'am. Our director, Vijayalakshmi ma'am. Zulfikli ji from Aswara. My colleague, First Secretary Rajesh. Thank you very much for supporting our work. Thank you very much. I see so many familiar faces in the audience also. Vinoshri ma'am. Thank you very much for coming. Roshni ma'am, Dr. Priya. Is that Mr. Shashi Podwal? Thank you very much, all of you all, for this wonderful evening, for coming here today. To be able to, Anju ma'am, Aradhana ji, thank you very much. I didn't look this side. All the way from Kedah, Mr. Venugopal from Diwan Gandhi. Thank you very much, sir, for coming to our function today. To have this wonderful program by very distinguished artists, Vani ji, Preeta ji, Ms. Akilandeshwari, our teacher of Indian culture, Mr. Sri Kumar, and other colleagues distinguished on the stage performing for us. We have come here to celebrate the spirit of Swarajya, no? Swarajya, self-rule, Swarajya. In the Independence Day month of India, which is August, as also for Malaysia. August is special for both our countries, isn't it? We are celebrating how many years of independence? Director ICC just mentioned India is celebrating how many years of its independence? 79 years of independence, right? For all the children here, right? We had a flag hoisting ceremony for all our Indian nationals celebrating Independence Day at India House, which is the High Commissioner's residence here in Kuala Lumpur. And we almost had 800 to 1,000 plus guests happily enjoying, and we had performances by various schools in Kuala Lumpur, celebrating independence earlier this month on 15th of August at India House. That's what we call it. We had wonderful celebrations at the Temple of Fine Arts yesterday. Many of you were there in that event. For those who were not, let me just tell you what we did yesterday. It was an event that the High Commission of India did in collab. We missed you yesterday, you guys. It was an event we did in collaboration with the Bharat Club Kuala Lumpur. And it was a performance put together by people like people like me, let me say, who are not professional dancers or artists, but people who have the passion to do some things different. So they all came together and did so many dances and fashion show, and they even did a dance drama based on the epic Ramayana. And the spirit of the evening was to celebrate India-ASEAN cultural harmony. Many of you are all probably expats living in Malaysia, and I'm sure many of you would have had this experience over the years of living in this beautiful country and have this understanding that there are so many threads of culture that we share with Malaysia and beyond in the ASEAN region. So yesterday was a celebration of that harmony that we have as countries in this region. So, so today is going to be about Swarajya. And as we all know, music and dance have played a very important part in our independence movement. Music and dance has been the spirit that has brought together as a tool for unity and cultural revival. Subramanya Bharathiyaroda பாட்டு எல்லாம் கேட்டிருப்பீங்க படிச்சிருப்பீங்க இல்லையா? All of you are very aware how his songs have stirred the patriotic spirit in people to oppose the colonial rule, not to accept things as it is and to fight back, right? So I think today's spirit is going to be about not just Subramanya Bharatiyar, I'm sure he is there, but about all pan-India music that has stirred the nationalist spirit among Indians during those years. We all also know that leaders like Mahatma Gandhi have used bhajans during the struggle against the colonial rule, and songs like Raghupati Raghava Raja Rama Delarkume Theriyum. We all know that song, how it was regularly sung, and whether it be the non-cooperation movement or the Satyagraha or the salt marches, music and dance has been a tool to connect with people, with common people, to be able to understand and join the fight against the colonial rule. So I'm very happy to see so many children here. All serious talk, but thank you very much all the kids for coming together and dressed in national colors. Very pretty sight, all of you all. So in that spirit, thank you very much all of you all for joining us on a Saturday evening. And without further ado, I think we should enjoy the performance. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. We are also privileged to hear from the beloved TFA directors, pillars of Indian culture here in Malaysia. May I please invite all three of you to give your thoughts on Swarajya?
Honored guests and art lovers and all our friends. We are indeed very, very happy to be here this evening to celebrate 79 years of the independence of the Republic of India. Clap! It is a very, very significant occasion, and I must say that the location of ICC is perfect. It is located in Little India, though it's not part of the country of India. See? So that in itself speaks volumes. And I must say that, Temple of Fine Arts has had long-standing relationship with ICC, and we almost look at it as our second home. And a lot of our teachers over the years, not 79 years, because Temple of Fine Arts is only 44 years old. So we have been beneficiaries of the generosity of the government of India through ICC, to which we are very, very grateful. And I'm very, very happy also to find that this place is getting very robust, vibrant, and very lovely activities are being planned and curated, and for people across the lifespan, ages of lifespan. So this is definitely a wonderful service that ICC is doing, and congratulations to all the people who are responsible for this. Yeah? And of course, Vatsala, Radha, and myself, we can consider ourselves as the, not antique. Antique got value, you know. People always display all the antique, including myself at home. So we are antiquated, not here, but in age. And so we are very, very pleased and also happy that ICC is giving us this award. And of course, all the three of us are very, very passionately immersed in the arts. If I can sleep overnight in the Temple of Fine Arts, I will do. Yeah. So we are so very, very happy to see everybody here. And of course, we all belong to the artistic fraternity. So don't feel left out, because when you come here, we can convert the non to the initiated. Somebody don't laugh, huh? So with this, I would like to once again thank you so much to all of you for being present here, and also my pranams to all of you.
Thank you for those heartfelt words. Now, it's time to celebrate our vibrant traditions through music and dance. Sit back and enjoy the specially curated cultural showcase by our talented artists. Swarajya, a tapestry of India's journey to freedom and unity, told in song, dance, and spirit.
Unity. India's journey to freedom, told in song, dance, and spirit. Before foreign boots trampled our soil, before the language of power was not our own, India, Bharat, was a land of music, poetry, rivers, and prayers. A motherland whose voice resonated in 1,000 tongues and whose heart beat in temples, forests, royal courts, and fields alike. But as the years wore on, the face of that mother faded. Her song was silenced, her identity questioned, and yet, somewhere in the strings of the veena, in the voice of her poets, she still whispered. சொல்வே அடித்தோ ஆசை முகம் மறந்து போச்சேதை யாரிடம் சொல்வே அடித்தோ தேசம் மறக்கவில்லை நெஞ்சம் தேசம் மறக்கவில்லை நெஞ்சம் என்ற நினைவு முகம் மறக்கலாமோ தேசம் மறக்கவில்லை நெஞ்சம் நினைவு முகம் மறக்கலாமோ ஆசை முகம் மறந்து போச்சே யாரிடம் சொல்வேன் கண்ணில் தெரியுதொரு தோற்றம் அதில் கண்ணனழகு முழுதில்லை கண்ணில் தெரியுதொரு தோற்றம் அதில் கண்ணனழகு முழுதில்லை நன்னமுக But pain has a way of awakening fire. In the year 1919, in the quiet garden of Jallianwala Bagh, bullets rained down on thousands gathered in peace. Men, women, even children fell, not just to gunfire, but to the cruelty of tyranny. That day, the soil was soaked not only with blood, but with a resolve. A terrible silence followed. But in that silence, something stirred. In the silence of submission, a few voices rose, not with weapons, but with will. They sang, wrote, walked. And one voice called out, "If no one listens, walk alone." This was the soul of self-respect, of Swaraj, of choosing the harder path. যদি তোরে দাক্ষিণী কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোরে দাক্ষিণী কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে, যদি তোরে দাক্ষিণী কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোরে দাক্ষিণী কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে।
where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awaken.
Thank you. निर्विकल्प निराकार रूप विभूताक्ष सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणम् नाच संगतम् नैवे चिदानंद रूप शिवोहम शिवोहम शिवोहम।
Then came a turning. A man in simple cloth walked into the hearts of millions. He spoke not of revenge, but of truth, not of rage, but of resolve. Gandhiji taught us that true freedom begins within, through silence, spinning, and sacrifice, through Shanta Ahimsa. And in his home state of Gujarat, the spirit of Bapu lived not only in marches and fasts, but also in rhythm, in the clapping of hands, the circling of feet, and the communal harmony of Garba. A dance of devotion, of simplicity, of togetherness, just as he had envisioned India.
पगला पड़ा माड़ी ना है तगड़ा कुमकुम ना पगला पड़ा माड़ी ना है तगड़ा कुमकुम ना पगला पड़ा माड़ी ना है तगड़ा कुमकुम ना पगला पड़ा माड़ी ना है तगड़ा जोवा लोक टोले बड़ा रे माड़ी तारा आववाना है धाना गड़ा तारा अब बना धाड़ा गड़ा तारा अब बना गड़ा। जग्या दीवड़िया जोत जग्या काचर ना चौक जग्या दीवड़िया जोत जग्या मैया हरो हार बड़ा रे माड़ी तारा आप बना धाना गड़ा कुमकुम ना पगला पड़ा माड़ी ना है तगड़ा लोक टोले बड़ा रे माड़ी तारा आप बना धाना गड़ा माड़ी तारा आप
simplicity of togetherness, just as he had in वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। पर दुखी उपकार कर for freedom was not only waged in protests and prisons. It flowed in kitchens, in homes, in the unshaken resolve of women who bore the struggle in silence. Like Ma Ganga, ever flowing, ever pure, the sacred feminine held the spirit of the nation aloft. Ma Ganga, she rises from the matted locks of Shiva and flows through every field, every ritual, every lullaby. Ganga, the eternal feminine, both fierce and forgiving, mirrored the strength of the women who bore Bharat's struggle in silence and grace.
Gange Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Tungatarange
Dhalam Kutaka Dikutaka Tadinginna Tom Nadim Tadim Tadigina Tom Ta Nadim Tadim Tadim Gina Tom Nadim Tadim Tadigina Tom Ta Nadim Tadim Tadim Gina Tom Nadim Tatakadim Takita Takanadim Tatam Kitaka Dharikitatum Dharikitatum Nadim Tatam Kitaka Dharikitatum Dharikitatum Nadim Tatam Tak Dharikitatum Dharikitatum
Tungatarange Gange Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Tungatarange Gange Jaya Jaya Tungatarange Gange कमल भवांड करंड पवित्रे बहुविध बंधन चेतल वित्रे कमल भवांड करंड पवित्रे बहुविध बंधन चेतल वित्रे बहुविध बंधन चेतल वित्रे कमल भवांड करंड पवित्रे बहुविध बंधन चेतल वित्रे कमल भवांड करंड पवित्रे बहुविध बंधन चेतल वित्रे कमल भवांड करंड पवित्रे ಭವಾಂಡ ಕರಂಡ ಪವಿತ್ರೆ ಬಹುವಿಧ ಬಂಧನ ಚೇತಲವಿತ್ರೆ ಸಾ ಗರಿ ರಿ ನಿ ಪ ಪ ಗ ಗರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಪ ಗ ನಿ ಪ ಸ ನಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ನಿ ಗರಿ ರಿ ನಿ ಪ ಪ ಗ ಗರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಪ ಗ ನಿ ಪ ಸ ನಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಗ ರಿ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಪ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಪ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಪ ನಿ ರಿ ತುಂಗತರಂಗೆ ಗಂಗೆ ಜಯ ತುಂಗತರಂಗೆ ಗಂಗೆ ಗಂಗೆ दूरीकृत जन पाप समूहे पूरित कच्छप उच्चग्राहे दूरीकृत जन पाप समूहे पूरित कच्छप उच्चग्राहे परमहंस गुरु भणित चरित्रे ब्रह्मा विष्णु शंकर नूति पात्रे परमहंस गुरु भणित चरित्रे ब्रह्मा विष्णु शंकर नूति पात्रे सा प ग ग रि रि ग प ग नि प स नि रि सा नि ग रि रि नि नि प प ग ग रि रि ग प ग नि प स नि रि सा नि प ग सा नि प ग रि नि प ग रि नि प ग रि स ग रि प ग रि स रि नि प ग रि ग स नि प ग रि ग प नि प ग प नि स नि ग रि स नि प रि सा नि प ग रि ग प नि रि तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय 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 जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे गंगे गंगे
Homes that burned with hope and helplessness. And yet, from this sorrow rose prayer, a single whisper of faith that kept the dream alive. From the haunting silences of Jallianwala Bagh to the cries echoing in the gallows where young revolutionaries kissed death with a smile, every inch of this freedom was earned, not with wealth, not with weapons, but with wounds. Even in the shadow of grief, Bharat did not forget how to pray, because prayer was power. Prayer was protest. It was the one language no ruler could suppress. बदलने से अब देर न हो मालिक, जो देर चुकी फिर ये अंधेर न हो मालिक। not carried by ahimsa alone. While Gandhiji called for truth and satyagraha, there were those who chose fire and steel. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, with the Indian National Army, shook the chains of empire with a call that still echoes, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." His soldiers carried the tricolour across borders, proving that the dream of independence could not be contained. In 1946, when the Royal Indian Navy mutinied in Bombay, joined by dock workers and civilians, it sent a tremor through the empire itself. For the first time, the rulers saw that their own army and sailors no longer obeyed them. The sun of the Raj was truly setting. Then the dawn came, 15th of August 1947. The tricolour soared into the sky. No more masters, only people. No more silence, only song. We were free, not just in body, but in spirit. Bharat had awoken. It was a moment carved from centuries of pain and stitched together with threads of courage. A breathless hush swept the land, followed by a cry of joy. From crowded cities to quiet villages, from freedom fighters to mothers who had waited too long. As the sun rose that day, it kissed a new nation into being, a land ready to write her own story in her own voice.
Vande Mataram.
one face. It is 100 fates walking the same road. It is dance in the south, poetry in the east, song in the west, courage in the north. It is Garba and Kathak, Odissi and Bharatanatyam. It is us. मारो भले आपनो सूर निरालो माझा तुझा जुळता तारा मधुर सुराच्या बरसती धारा सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बहके सागर में मिले बादलों का रूप ले बरसे हल्के हल्के ओ मेरे सुर मेरा तुम्हारा मेरा तुम्हारा ओ सुर बने We pledge to walk in truth, to live in peace, and to stand as one in every voice, every rhythm, every heart. Please keep standing. We'll be playing the Janani. Namaste to everyone, all the dignitaries here, friends, gurus. Hi ma'am. Thank you for all the love, support ma'am. I'm Preeta Prasad. This is my dear friend Vani Naitiyar and Kritika. Come here. Kritika Prabhakar. I haven't prepared any speech, but I'll just tell you from the heart. We came to see Madam Vijay Lakshmi last month. Just to say we feel like doing something for ICCR. We meaning Kritika and I, because we are both into event management as well. Kritika is a co-founder of Akar Foundation, and my husband Prasad Gopalakrishnan and I just started an event management company last year. We've just done one concert. We are one concert old. So we wanted to do something for ICCR. And when we approached Madam last month, she said, "Why don't you help me do something for Independence Day?" So we said, okay, but we just have a month, and all our friends, Vani, Kritika, they're all traveling to India. During this holiday, we have to plan what to do. So it was, all this is done over WhatsApp calls, Zoom calls, and so it's, we just had 1.5 rehearsals, so to speak. So please forgive us for all the technical glitches and my voice glitch because I'm having sore throat. So, and I'm so enamored by these 15 kids out here, like. They're all Vani Naitiyar's disciples, students, all of them. And she was
in Kerala. Her mom was in hospital, serious in hospital. She was juggling between going to the hospital and teaching these children on Zoom from Kerala to Malaysia. All of this. So, I'm so grateful to you, Vani. It was her idea when Kritika and I approached Vani and said, because she's the storyteller in our group. She's also a master's English literature person, lecturer. So she loves English and she loves telling stories. We are more like, okay, we do the action, we do the music and that kind of stuff. So she came up with the story and she said, let's do what we were before we had our independence and where we are now through music and dance and some poetry in our spirit. So with that, we came up with this program. And thank you for your love, support.
Respected Deputy High Commissioner of India to Malaysia, Ms. Subhashini Narayanan. Distinguished guests, dear friends and well-wishers, thank you so very much for being here tonight. Swarajya comes from a very personal space for me. My grandfather was a freedom fighter, and my grandmother, my maternal grandmother, lived all her life by Gandhian values. She wore only hand-spun khadi clothes until the very end of her life. She often told me about the moment they heard over a crackling radio that India was finally free from the foreign yoke. My mum too remembers that moment so very well. My grandmother said that the air itself felt so different that day, filled with new hope and enthusiasm. Those stories taught me that our freedom was not won by political action alone. It was carried forward by art, music, literature, sheer grit and determination. Songs that stirred courage, poems that awakened pride, performances that reminded people of who we were. These were also the weapons of our independence. That's why I created Swarajya, not only to honor my late grandparents and those who fought for our freedom, but to share that spirit with the next generation. I want my beautiful and wonderful students, they are my pride, absolute pride. I want all my students and all of you to feel that heartbeat, to understand that courage, unity and creativity together build the India that we know today. I'm so grateful to my dearest and sweetest and very beautiful friend, the most talented Preeta Prasad, and to the master brain behind, where is she? Oh yeah, the master brain behind so many wonderful shows in Malaysia, Kritika of the Akar Foundation, for approaching me with the idea of creating a show for ICCR. Without their encouragement, Swarajya would not have taken shape the way you saw it tonight. They gave me a completely free hand in designing this show, and I'm so very grateful to her and also to ma'am, the director of ICCR, for absolutely allowing me to do and to write whatever I wanted. And that was also freedom, and it was just in the spirit of the show. If Swarajya has touched even one heart tonight with the story of our journey to freedom, then its purpose has been fulfilled. May we remember that, thank you, may we remember that the heartbeat of freedom lies not just in history, but in how we choose to live today. Thank you.
Thank you, Vani. Before I pass the mic on to Kritika, I would like to personally thank each one of the artists who performed today. Firstly, all the cuties, thank you. Thank you for singing so well. Then our musicians, Selvendra on the tabla. Can we have an applause for them, please? Rushendra on the keyboard. Ramu Anna, Mr. Ramakrishnan on percussion. Sri Kumar ji, on the flute, and Akhilandeshwari, beautiful Akhilandeshwari on the veena. And our 5 dancers, Rashmi, Odissi, Rashmi who did Odissi, Kshetra Production Guru Apsara Ram Gopal and Hashisha Yathava, Priyadarshini ma'am on the Kathak, and the 2 Garba dancers, Janvi and Vedanti. Thank you all so much. Kritika, can you say a few words, please come? She's the master of ceremony, stage manager with audio visual.
I think, thank you so much, Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, for giving us the opportunity to spin out something of this quality in a very short time. I'm forever grateful to Preeta Chechi and Vani Chechi for again giving me the opportunity to showcase whatever little I know. I'm forever learning from all of you. Thank you so much to everyone, each and everyone, for being here today evening. I think I'll proceed completing the ceremony. We have a little more procedures and formalities to follow. So kindly excuse me on speaking very less. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now we invite the 3 TFA directors, Srimati Tavamalar Gunaratnam, Srimati Radha Gopal Shetty, and Srimati Valsala Shivdas. Now, may I invite Dr. Zulfikli Abdul Rashid, Deputy Rector of Student Affairs and Alumni, Aswara, onto the stage. With all 5 dignitaries on stage, let's now acknowledge our young, cute performers, followed by senior performers. So, Mohana, Samriddhi, Shravya, Siddharth, Maitreyi, Dhriti, Kirtana, Aradhya, Diya, Nivriti, Devika, Meenakshi, Janvi, Valencia, and Deena. Next, Apsara Ram Gopal ji's disciple Yadavas Lakshmi from Kshetra Academy. Next, disciples of Miss Priyadarshini Sanyal, teacher at the NS CBICC, Mayura and Tejashri. And now we have our beautiful dancers, Janvi Parmar, Janvi Parmar, Miss Priyadarshini Sanyal, Miss Rashmi Roy, and Miss Vedanti Trivedi. Next, we have our wonderful musicians, Ramu Anna, Rushendra Prem Kumar, Selvendra, ICC's very own Sri Kumar Ramakrishnan, Veena Akilandeshwari. Rita Prasad.
Hello. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's Bala. Without Bala, ICC program, it's not happening. Well, ladies and gentlemen, behind this entire production, there is one person who controls the AV, the production, the organization, coordinating with ICC and with the artists. Is none other than Kritika Bhaskar. Kritika Prabhagar. I kindly invite Miss Kritika Prabhagar to be felicitated by our dignitaries.